So we've had this Bosch stove, I guess in about 17 years, and the center element burnt out. I was cooking on it and I saw a little flash of light. So when you see it come on, just the outer rim is going to be on. And I could not find any video anywhere on how to disassemble this thing. So I've got a new element. Let's see if we can figure out how to take this thing apart. And hopefully this video will help somebody else in the future who might have this stove. So from what I understand, this top should be able to lift off. However, the screws to get to it are underneath this piece of glass. So, where was it? Right there. So there's a torque screw here and one over here on this other side. I'm going to take those out and hopefully I can carefully remove this piece of glass and then take this top off. So this particular screw right here is a T20 Torx. So when you take off this front fascia with the second screw, hold on to it carefully because it will just drop right off and you don't want to break this glass. So as I was about to take off or unscrew what I believe is holding up the top, I was seeing light from here and I totally forgot to shut off the oven. So make sure you kill it at the breaker or pull it away from the wall and unplug it first. And if I didn't say, the screws that were attached in the front lip of the top are also T20s as well. So undoing those two screws did nothing. I believe I have to take this piece off now. We've got multiple regular number 2 Phillips screws in here. So I removed this screw, these two on the front, this one, and the top does have movement now. So these Germans do not make this thing easy. So I propped it up, took a stubby Phillips screwdriver, unscrewed this. Now I'm going to attempt to quickly change this out. Got it out. Need a T20 for this as well. And we fixed it. Oh my gosh. This thing kind of reminded me of a BMW engine. All of these screws, nuts, and bolts to get to this thing. The best way probably would have been to disconnect every single burner, flip this on its side. We held it in place. I was able to get in the back. The bar that was holding this thing up is just held by 2 Phillips screws. One of them holds a set of ground wires. So I did that first and did the other one, and I was able just to slide out this component. This is the bad burner, and I think I see the brake right there because I see something shiny. But that's where it had broke on us. Well, sorry it wasn't a full in-depth video, but hopefully this will help somebody out with this stove. Thanks for watching. So I was trying to figure out, I thought I knew where it burned out, but I did see a little bit of like black stuff on the top of the cooktop. But this center pin right here, I don't know if I can get this to focus, this solder connection blew right there underneath this little lip here. That's why this burner blew out.